This is first time Dad's moving, going up a road with a ramp truck with a vehicle on it. Yeah, we haven't fixed everything, but it's good enough.
Yeah, it's just independence.
All right, I'll wait to get down in the driveway and I'll jump in. I want to film you moving around. You want me to pull that muffler off? You want me to pull that muffler off? It's hanging. You want me to pull the muffler off? It's hanging. All right, we're going there.
On the back of the hill.
I don't think it'll back up no hill. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding.
Some inches of hill. They don't give a shit.
Yeah, well, ain't nobody been up here in a long time. Well, hold on a second. Let me get, if you go down there and turn around, I'm gonna get out and film. There Dad goes in his ramp truck. Yeah. That is cool. That's cool.
It does. It runs the same as it did with nothing on it.
The ultimate test would be with another truck, car, and trailer on the back. I think it'd be all right.
I think I had no problem.
Hey, stop. Little vibration.
Huh?
Little vibration.
Nice and warm.
Yeah, it's hot here.
barely got my foot on it. Yeah. Came down up the driveway with no issue, just that thing will back all the way up through there.
Mm-hmm.
Push that truck up through there. Smooth forward.
I got it. I got it, you gonna fall. You gonna fall.
Heartbeat a minute. Heartbeat a minute. Careful. Nobody do the helmet fast.
Look at smiley face. See your smiley face, look at it.
Yep. Smile, be healthy.
Wow.
The road actually just needs to be low. It'll be fine if you just flip it over.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just flipped it
It
over.
didn't even squat. I let the weight on it, didn't squat.
Really?
Yeah.
We just flopped it over for the Suburban. I think that other one down there is way different. We just flipped it over.
That's skills.
Big truck mirrors, I think. We ain't put it in the crawl roll yet, but that's so good.
Yeah.
Let's put it.
Except the difference will be 57 will be on the back of this, and my little old car will be on that trailer. And we're gonna clean all this up. We're gonna reorganize everything.
Yeah, it don't squat, is it?
No, it didn't squat.
No bad, it's fine.
That's awesome. All right, let me stick everything back in the hole.
What? We got that dang, we dropped that trailer down,
Yeah,
we probably will put rain straight across.
that's what I was thinking.
Maybe, I don't know.
Clutch sucks. to modify the truck because the other day we put up on the ramp truck, it bent the header tube and cracked it and warped them all up.
And see these creases?
Yeah.
Put them creases in there, one of them headers that just twist them like that down against the tire. So we're like, how the hell do we fix this shit? So
we just jack it up and bend it.
We took this big floor jack, riveted it right down between the A-frame, and jacked it somebody to it, got them bent back. They still want to touch just a little bit. So now we're gonna jack them up and chain them motherfucker all the way.
True skull
This
fashion.
truck's always had them headers on it. It ain't the truck without them headers on it.
And we put different mufflers on, which you'll hear in a minute.
Put them single chambers on there, and he wanted this fucking loud again.
It's supposed to be. It's being choked down.
He says you can't hear none of that inside racket now. You think? You hear your shit?
What would you hear here in a minute once we get this fixed?
We need a small chain, so we found this.
That's all we had. We'll two back here in a minute, but we're having to go do all this just to get back where the truck was originally.
Yeah, back to Z.
Yeah. It'll just look cooler. We got clearance now. Hey, at least it clears your steering really good too.
Yeah, it clears the steering a lot better now.
I remember you said you stuck a pipe in there and bent them to clear the steering the first time.
Yeah, they've been bent a few times.
I told you it'd work.
Huh?
Told you it'd work. It's repaired. It's ghetto, but it's repaired.
We're talking about our damn ramp trucks like that before on the lift.
Yeah, it's a lift. That's what it is. Got it up on a lift. Got the wheels off. Gonna need some shocks and some cleaning and painting.
Coming in hot, big balling.
Big balling.
This show.
But yeah, we got the truck fixed, sorta, kinda. What's funny is rear end's busted in Dash 57, and my car, the clutch is out of it, but we fixed the truck.
That was back in the hell.
And the truck ain't got to go race nowhere. Both these got to go race somewhere, sometime.
You'll get it.
I know, I'm not worried about it. I could have a transmission and everything out of this car before it gets dark. That's about 45 minutes. I can have it all out. Guarantee it. But if I take it all out, then we can't move it to get the ramp truck out. So. And I do not have a brand new clutch disc to put in it, so I'll have to wait. Alright, this is all cleaned up and painted. Gotta get new tires, wheels painted. And Jason belts, the mufflers you sent me. We cut them in half. Now I got half of one muffler. I got half of one muffler, and now Dad has the other half. They're going to good use. We just cut them in half, slide them over this 3-inch, take all the insulation out of them, and you get a little bit of a baffle. Basically, it's just rifling through there. Just slows down the air enough to keep it a little bit quiet. And you just pop them off. Sounds good with them. And here is the other half. See, it's still bolt right up to the 64. Jason belts. Belts to them. There it is. Yeah, see? They bolt right on the 64. Just enough. Dad's been fixing the muffler in here, trying to keep it from going ding, 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 ding. We done took everything off. And I fixed officially done with the 74 suspension in the rear end. I like to take it up road and test it, but it started drizzling rain. I might still try it. See, check it out. Wore out old soft shocks. Match loose springs. See how slow it comes back up? Very nice. Should transfer weight really well. I got that old generator running like a champion. It's so quiet. It sounds quiet. I need to tighten that alternator bracket. Do it?
Got the wheels black now. Got everything black about it, cleaned off all the rust and crap off the thing. We got to clean one end of it from the other end on the bottom.
That's the hardest part to clean though.
Yeah.
That's all the little nooks and crannies.
It ain't too bad. Under the cabin, everything's fairly good. It'll be alright. It ain't bad at all. We're just gonna paint everything under it, all the way up under. Got the tire gone. Gonna put a moon tag on the front. One black on the wheels. Gonna paint it like Bad Penny on the front up here. Gonna do the trailer like Calamity Jane. Do some
It'll be so cool.
on the trailer. Yeah. They will match. We're Cummins on here.
Yeah, we're coming. You know what? I was thinking of that earlier when I was reading coming right here. I thought it'd be cool to put "we're coming" on the back. That would be so cool. Or you could write it backwards so you can see it in the rearview mirror. You had to push the button down, didn't you? To lock
yeah,
it?
I pushed the button down, shut the door, and locked the keys in. What we do? Got to go be a burger.
Oops. At least you know you can do that.
Yeah.
But you ever want to break in one of these?
Looks like this one's kind of wore a little bit. Well, I'll just put that hook through there. You got to push this in to raise it up.
Yeah, that's what I was saying about over there.
Just push it right up. So.
I'm going to start the truck so you can hear the exhaust. And we might go straight down on my car. I hope we do. We need to do a street down. We ain't done one in months. Many months. Like 3 months. Out here. We've done them at the other place a few times. Let's start this up.
Scufflers. Made him a little shock change, so he going
Whole suspension change.
Oh, yeah, he changed the whole suspension. Couldn't find the shock that worked just right. He's looking at the ones on Calamity J over there, and they worked just fine. So they put them on here, so there you go. So, we just swap shit back and forth forever again. Whatever we need, that's what we do. I'm about a gallon with Jay, so yeah, mileage check. You got a baby up through here. I think you got little folks. They might be right that minute if I come here and get it. Yeah, I didn't bring my phone with me neither. I didn't bring my phone either. I got mine. that thing independent. My grandfather had an old Dodge, and he called it the Blue Goose when he got it. It was a blue and it was a Dodge. So I'm gonna have Blue Goose on there somewhere just for Grandpa, but he's been dead a long time. He's a good fella. Honor my grandpappy. He'd be proud of that damn thing. Sound pretty damn good to me. Looked like she squatted about 2 inches, come back up slow, so that'll work. You would be happy with that.
Slosh fuel through the lines, it pumps back up, it just jumped to 6, now it's back down to 1. It ain't warmed up yet.
It drops about 2 or 3 inches in this thing. It's just like,
them ain't no gumballs neither.
nah.
It felt like it was spinning, I couldn't tell though.
Yeah, it's smooth. There you go, the gas tonight out, head back.
Look, see it bounces.
Yeah, oh shit.
See, you can punch it like that though, and then slosh the fuel into the sump, and it pumps through the lines real quick, so it fills the ball part way, and then you can just hit it again and hit it again till you get about a quarter of a mile like that.
Hope it just sounded like she always did.
Well, it's cold, it ain't up to temperature yet. Usually about 170 is when it runs crisp.
Good old cold. I kinda like that new scoop though, don't y'all?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh. Yeah, it comes down about 2 or 3 inches, just sit right there, and you got on the brakes, it's like,
Yeah.
sweet, there it is, bam.